Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to create a animated subscriber button like this one. Okay. Maybe it's that side. Wazzaaaap. 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 Go over to Google and search Wondershare Filmora and click on free download and downloads Filmora for Windows. I'm going to use that. You can do it for your Mac as well. There we go. Okay, open that up once it's done downloading and click install. Okay, once it's done installing, you can click start now. Congratulations, cool. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is add a background. Okay, so for that you can go to your sample colors. I'm going to choose green, so you want to take that and drag it down. And you can make it out however long you want. I'm going to do about 5 seconds. You want to lock that. Next you want the color of the button, so that's going to be red. And we're going to drag this down. And then click on the screen here and make it whatever size you want. And wherever you want to put it in the screen. Cool. Next you want to add text. Okay, so for your text I went to titles and I went down to plain text. And you can choose something that's just going to be quite simple. Okay. Size that into your button. Now add your subscribe to Pro Dev Tips. Cool. Now to import, you want to go File, Import Media Files. Select your cursor. Add to project. Okay. Now we can make it smaller. What I want to do is put it in my red box, so I'm going to make the red box a bit bigger. And unlock it. Click on it. Okay, and then you can center it again. And our text we're going to have to unlock and move over. That looks about right. And then we want to grab our make it a bit smaller. Okay, that looks good. We're going to lock the red box again and the text. Cool. So for the cursor I don't want the whole thing to be transparent, so I'm going to color that in and then re-import it. So I'm going to delete that and delete this. Quickly edit this in Paint 3D. And I'm going to make it white. And just select full, choose whatever color you want, and save. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to re-import that. And click add. Okay, you want to resize it. Get that nicely placed. Okay, so now what we want to do is animate our button. So you want to unlock the red of the button and double click that and go up to animation. Okay, on animation you want to click customize. Okay, so over here you can drag to the 1 second mark and click add, and now you can go back to naught and reduce your scale to naught. Okay, once that's done you can click OK. Now when you play your clip, there we go, perfect. Okay, you can bring that back to the beginning. For our text we want to give it animation 2, so you can unlock that, double click and click advanced. Okay, so for this you want to click animation, choose whatever style you want. If you hold your cursor over it, it'll show you the animation. Okay, double click to insert. Now you can adjust your intro animation length, that's the dark area, and then the same animation will be at the back end of your video clip over here. So you can decide how long you want it, and this light area is how long the text is just going to be static. Okay, so let's click play and see what it looks like. That's not bad. I'm going to try a different animation. Okay, let's press play. Cool, I like that. Press OK. Okay, now for the cursor there's 2 animations we want to do. The first one, you double click, click animation customize, go to the point in the video where your text has appeared fully. It's about there, right? Cool. Now move your cursor to where you want it, and okay, so once your cursor is where you want it, you want to click add. Okay, add. Now you want to scroll back. For the click of the cursor, we're going to just scale it down and scale it back up. So you want to double click in your animation customize. You want to go to the point where your cursor has reached, right? Over here, you're going to scale it down just a bit. Okay, and then you want to drag it forward a bit, just a little bit, and scale it back up. You can make this 100. Okay, so now when we play our video, we've got a little click. Okay, so now we want to add our mouse click, the audio. Cool. Let's drag this down, and you want to obviously get it in time with your cursor shrinking. Okay, we want to put our mouse click right about here. Now when we press play, perfect. Okay, so if you like the animation and the timing, you want to go and hit export.